At some point in the late 1990s and into the early 2000s, the probability outputs of the looking glass device began doing something unprecedented. The branching timelines, the spread of possible futures that had always shown variation, always shown divergence, began converging. Not collapsing into chaos, not showing some catastrophic singular event, converging toward a single point. The operators ran the device again. They adjusted the parameters. They checked their methodology. They brought in other teams to verify the results. The timelines kept converging. And the point they were converging toward, the single future that appeared inevitable across every probability model they ran, was an awakening. Not a disaster, not a war, not the end of civilization. A shift in human consciousness. Wood described the response to this discovery as something close to institutional panic. Because here's the problem when your probability machine tells you a particular future is inevitable. You can no longer use the threat of that future to control people. If the outcome is locked, if the shift is coming regardless of what any individual nation state, intelligence agency, or power structure does, then the entire apparatus of control built around managing future possibilities becomes obsolete.
I understand.
Do you?
Do you? This is it. I'm telling you, this is it.
The king still has one more move